Welcome to Tool Zone. We've curated a brilliant mix of clips where seasoned pros handle their tools like artists. With unbelievable accuracy and control, watch the magic unfold as perfection takes shape before your eyes. Wow, check out that air pressure. It strips old paint off a car door in seconds. Powerful, fast, and super effective. When professionals with the right gear take care of your lawn, it transforms into a piece of landscape art. Perfectly trimmed grass, crisp hedge lines, your yard becomes the envy of the neighborhood, shining with polished perfection. Painting a ceiling isn't easy, and yes, it can even be dangerous, but the result absolutely stunning. It completely transforms the space and gives the room a whole new look. Cleaning a car interior, like in this video, isn't for the squeamish. Let your vehicle turn into an archaeological site, and no high-tech gadget is going to save it. This man clearly has a talent for wood carving. The finished piece looks amazing. Now you've seen how to build a stylish storage ottoman with your own two hands, why not add a personal touch to your home? This guy gets floors level faster than you can blink, and somehow he leaves no trace of effort. Is he even touching the ground? Drilling perfect holes in tiles or cutting angled slots in walls might look tough, But for skilled workers, it's just another opportunity to shine, and the tiling afterwards, just as precise. Just look how quickly she produces identical New Year ornaments. Pure skill and speed. Watching the shuttlecocks being methodically placed into glass molds is like witnessing a flawless routine. Every move is so precise, it's oddly relaxing. Turns out, even the roughest, most uneven corners can be transformed into flawless ones with minimal effort. With the right technique and a clever hack, even the most awkward edges can end up looking showroom perfect. From prepping walls to laying tiles with jaw-dropping symmetry, this craftsman's touch feels almost supernatural. If you've got a sweet tooth, resisting temptation in a job like this will be nearly impossible. A true craftsman with a tool in hand is a living example of how skill and technique blend to produce perfection. Every movement flows effortlessly, without excess, as if he's not working, but performing a graceful and intricate act. Don't be too quick to toss your old sneakers. Sometimes with a little clever trick, they can outlast your brand new pair. Curious? There's one brilliantly simple way to bring them back to life. Turbines and specialized attachments are used to polish a machine part to a mirror-like shine. A chainsaw is used to clear thick grass and sod from around a technical maintenance hatch. Pouring paint onto a surface might sound simple, but just look at how mesmerizing it is. Every splash feels like a little universe unfolding. Pretty magical, right? Incredible! This cooking technique isn't something you see every day. It's clear we're watching a true culinary artist at work, using food like a painter uses color. I'm willing to bet you've never seen how false eyelashes are made. It's a mesmerizing process that takes both creativity and serious attention to detail. Cleaning tall building walls isn't random, it follows strict proven methods. Luckily, skilled pros and the right equipment make it safe and efficient from start to finish. The bees have truly outdone themselves this time. Nature's perfect teamwork. A big shout out to the builder artist. The results speak for themselves. It's awe-inspiring how this woman manages to apply putty at a height, and without even using a ladder. It's not just eye candy, this dish tastes as amazing as it looks. This painting device is a technological gem. It applies paint evenly while keeping the surrounding area neat and spotless. No mess, just perfection. At first, the method might seem unorthodox, but the outcome is striking. Bold, stylish, and modern. Sometimes breaking away from the usual path leads to the most original results. Writing neatly on paper is one thing, but composing text from loose spices, that's next level artistry. This guy handles a blade with such finesse, even seasoned calligraphers would be impressed. Honestly, he could have signed royal scrolls using nothing but cumin and cinnamon.